They say this planet was once far more beautiful than what it has become today. Life was peaceful, and the villagers lived in joy. Of course, years ago, a series of intertribal wars had also taken place. But with the arrival of humans, this planet began its descent into ruin. Intelligent beings whose greed knows no end. The humans' goal was to create a smart, flawless warrior through the genetic fusion of humans and the planet's natives. Humans plundered the planet's food supplies and stripped its mines bare. They poisoned the soil and brought the plants to wither and die. With each passing day, the natives' anger grew, but there was nothing they could do. At last, the fateful day arrived, and I prepared to enter the world.